Hello my dear champs, hope you all doing good. Today I got my JBRacing top rack which I had ordered from Banros pit stop after losing my bag in the Chikmagalur trip. So I didn't want it to lose more, so I pre-ordered it and it came now. Boxing is very solid and waterproofed. See, they have wrapped it very neatly all over the box. Let's unbox it live and show you guys all the details. Chalo. See, they have wrapped it very neatly all over the box. Packing is very nice. They have wrapped it with air-filled cover so that it avoids any damage even while package is thrown.
It's okay.
This was the air-filled cover which I told. See, it's so safe. Let's open the cover. We have two locks here. One is to mount the box to the top rack and this is to lock the box. You can see the box is so spacious. It can hold up to 45 liters of capacity. They have two pouches to keep the documents, mobile accessories and few other things. We have got the backrest pads inside the box itself. We just need to stick it onto the box. This is just a instruction guide. This is a bill 8449. Microfiber cloth to clean, and this is a free item. Fitting accessories. Key for the locks. And these are the reflectors to stick it on both the sides of the box. A small book and a sticker from Bandos. Cushion kind of material, and this is very good, very neatly designed. This is actually very spacious compared to other brands in this price segment. Let me show you guys by keeping my helmet in this box so that you'll get some fair idea about the storage and space. So my helmet is SMK Titan variant, so you can imagine like the size and stuff. As you can see, it neatly fits inside the box, so it's quite spacious, not very small or something. For mounting, again you will have to use the key that will be attached with the rack. This is the mount rack which you should fit on top of the top rack. Let's take it and fit it on the bike. This is the top rack by the brand Moto Torque, which I had to install first on my bike. This will be an additional charge of around 300 to 4000. I had to drill a hole in order to fit the screw properly for better fitness. Fitting is done, now mounting the box on top of it. Finally installed the top rack after losing my bag. Yeah, perfect. You'll have to lock it this way after fitting it. Hope this was informative guys. See you guys in another video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.